All right, so I am at the Stihl store and I got something I want to show you. Now, everybody already knows about Stihl's handheld battery-powered saw. This is the GTA 26. Comes with a 4-inch bar. Now, the reasons I haven't really ever said anything about this is because it doesn't come with a chain adjust. It doesn't come with an area to store your bar oil. So as you're cutting, you have to stop every few cuts, drop some oil on it, and then you're good to go again. Now, what we do see a lot is without having that chain adjust on it, people let it get loose and you have to just sort of hand tighten it. You pull the bar as much as you can as you tighten down the side cover, and that's all that's holding it in place. So sometimes while you're using it, the chain will get loose. It'll pop off once it gets, because people like to cut things smaller than their finger, which you never do. And then once it's popped off that first time, it can burr up and not run in the bar correctly. Next thing you know, you're buying a new chain. Another one is battery life. You get about 40 cuts out of this thing, which you're not cutting down a gigantic tree. It's really just for limbing. And last but not least, there's price. This thing is $199. Now, when it comes to battery-powered handheld saws, it is one of the most heavy-duty ones you can possibly buy. Now, when you buy this one, it comes in a handy-dandy little carrying case, your charger, a little oil for your bar. But after you get it closed up, what is this? Sort of janky Stihl, come on. But Stihl came out with a super cool accessory for it. This boom right here, that easy attach, you just slide her on in, swoop. And next thing you know, you got a pole saw. But this isn't what I wanted to show you. They came out with something cooler. Leave it up to Stihl. They actually listened to your concerns and changed some things. Stihl's new and improved case. We've got the GTA 40, guys. Look at this suitcase. No more flimsy box. Ooh, check it out. I have to say, this is the first commercial battery-powered handheld saw I've ever seen, and Stihl really did it well. First off, it comes with a 6-inch bar instead of the 4-inch, and they are working on their next design, might be an 8-inch bar, guys. They also have a bar oil tank. You don't have to stop and oil your bar all the time. They have an ambidextrous switch on any side for your thumb to work the safety. They also come with 2 batteries, so you have 45 minutes of runtime. And that's not the coolest part. It has a chain adjust, so you won't have to worry about your chain popping off when it gets loose all the time. You can just stop and tighten it up when you need to. Now, this thing is 4.4 pounds, and they say it can cut over 190 cuts. Now for a little bit of sticker shock. This thing is $399, and I know you're like, whoa, that's a lot, but you gotta think about it. This might not be for just the regular homeowner, but when it comes to commercial cutting, the cheapest top handle saw you're going to be getting these days that's worth anything and is quality is $500 from Stihl. With that, you don't have to worry about starting it every time. You're just up there. You can pull it out of your holster and cut some limbs. I mean, you're looking at a huge weight difference. That thing is only 4.4 pounds. Any top handle saw, like especially this one, it's 7.7. That's a big difference when you're 40 feet up in a tree. But here's the kicker, guys. If you're commercial and you buy one of these handheld battery-powered saws, you get a 2-year commercial warranty. If you buy one of these top-handled saws, Stihl only offers 3 months anymore. Now, I have absolutely no reason to buy one of these, but I sort of want one just because. I'll tell you what, if I can get 15,000 likes on this video, I'll buy one and put it to a torture test and see how long these batteries will last, how it behaves in different types of wood, so I can know for 100% if it's something I need to recommend to my commercial guys. And last but not least, if you want to see some mundane Brie content, I gotta go feed my chickens, and you can find out why I don't film them ever. That's because Baxter, my rooster, is scary, okay? He's scary and he hates me. Let's go feed him. Now, if you have seen any of my videos, you have probably heard my chickens in the background. These are my golden girls and Baxter. Now, why do I have big old Baxter? Well, when you order chickens, if you get, 5 or 6 like you want, you have to pay extra shipping. So you might as well get 15 because it's the same price. But when you get 15 chickens, guess what? They send you a free mystery chicken and you know what it's going to be? A rooster. Now Baxter is a German Bielefelder, and he is huge, which means he eats a ton. Now, when Baxter was little, he was super sweet, would get in my lap, eat treats out of my hand, but as he got older, he became a teenager, and now he's a man. And although he protects his girls fiercely, he is not very nice to me. But even though he's not nice to me, I really don't care because I ain't hanging out with the chickens. They're not really pets, they're food. And with the foxes and coyotes and whatever else that's around, I need somebody to protect my girls. But let me give you a taste of how he treats me. What you doing, dude? Oh. He hates me. So feeding these velociraptors every day has become quite a scary little chore. So I'm gonna take those treats, I'm gonna throw them way over there. I'm gonna run inside with the water and the food to put it inside their coop. Go inside, collect some eggs, and hopefully he doesn't attack me before I get out. So I'm gonna let y'all watch and y'all can see if I make it. Oh, Lord. Well, I made it. But after a daily head count, I'm missing a chicken. I was just looking around my yard. She just came out of the wood pile. You know how to get out. I know you know how to get back in. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Go. No. All right. Get in there. Oh my gosh. Now she's my little escape artist. She gets out over and over again all day long. The other ones are all good. But look what I just found. She's made herself a little nest. We ain't having no babies. So yeah, that's life with chickens. And everybody's like, oh, egg prices, egg prices. I wouldn't know. For the last year and a half, I've been spending $20 a week on chicken food, okay? So I do get, 50 to 100 eggs a week. So I can sell them and make my money back. But I don't know about egg prices.